guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing an empty house tour. This place is not bright enough and I didn't come here with my lighting sets. I just came here with my tripod. I just want to show you guys how empty this place is, and because I want to save the moment of how it was and how it's going to be when I'm done furnishing. Like, I went out today, I've spent so much. I went to get lightings, chandelier. I want to change some wiring, electrical things in this house, and God, I didn't even know that chandelier was that expensive. And from there I also went to the market to price cotton. I spent almost 300p just because of cotton. Like, wow. The cotton person has just came to take measurements. So the cotton is, today is Saturday. The cotton is supposed to be ready by, let's say, Wednesday. I have a lot of things. I'm going to start the electrical work. Tomorrow is Sunday. The person is going to fix it tomorrow. So from tomorrow, I'm going to be capturing the moment of how I start my journey on furnishing the house. But for now, I'm doing an empty house tour. So let me take you guys around on this empty space. Please take me the way you see me, because all right, let's start. This place is the living room, the living area. Right there. Okay, here is the entrance door. Okay, this place is the entrance door, and this place is the veranda for the living area. Yeah, veranda for the living area. I'm going to be keeping my, let's say, there's this store for hanging with children's clothes. So if I don't want to struggle with them for space outside, I will just have to keep it there and be dry my clothes like any time of the day, anytime that I want. Even if it's raining, it's not going to affect me. So that's what I'm going to use that space for. And I'm going to try to keep like maybe a plant there. So this is, I love this window. Like, guys, I don't want this video to be like long. So I'm trying to like rush. This is late night already. This should be around 6 p.m. and I still have some errands to run. So I love the fact that this is this way. You lift it up like it's a modern window. Okay. It's a modern window and I love it. So same thing goes with this, but this is a little bit larger than this. So now I have some adjustments to make. This light in here is not at the center. Okay, let's bring that close a little. Or yep, the lighting is not at the center, so I'm going to be moving it this way. I already talked with the electrician. I'm going to be moving it at the center so that it doesn't affect the curtain. Because what I'm planning to do, I'm planning to put the curtain from the roof to the floor. I don't want anything. Once curtain is there, curtain is going to cover everything. There's so 2 windows here and then 1 window here. So I have like 3 windows in this living area, and I'm so happy. Like, the first house I checked, the place was so massive, very nice, more expensive than this one. Very close to the road. The road is good. There's inside an estate, third road, but the kitchen is not given. The kitchen is long. The cabinet finishing is like, that's what I actually want, but it's just long and the cabinet is small and it's not going to take everything that I want to take in the kitchen. So, and then the kitchen is at the veranda of the living area. Like the veranda of the living area. Once you're done cooking, you carry your food, and anybody that is walking outside will see you carry food enter the living area. So I didn't really like the intro. So, and it has only 1 window for living area, 1 window for the room, and I need a lot of light for my filming, especially for my room where I'm going to be converting to a studio. Just one, that's what I'm battling with in my current studio. So that is one of the reasons why I'm leaving. The place has not inspired, but I'm leaving that there because it's not giving me the light that I want. So this is a larger window, and I'm going to remove that light there, this one. I'm going to take it out entirely. Like, I'm going to take it out entirely In as much as I love lighting so much, but I don't have any choice. There's nowhere it's going to fit. It's not going to fit anywhere in this place. So I'm definitely removing it entirely. So that's why I have decided to wire this. I'm going to put chandelier. I'm going to put chandelier in this place. The POP is so nice. I want you guys to see it well. The POP is really nice, but my problem with the POP now is they didn't wire it inside. I had plans of putting a light inside this C shape, but the electrician came around and found out that they did not wire it, the inside of it. So like, I have a very, very big issue with that. But at the end of the day, we found a solution. The electrician said he can do something. He will wire it. He's going to do it from this chandelier, and then it's going to be controlled by one switch. But the problem is that the wire is going to be showing. I told him, no problem. Even if the wire is showing, the next thing I could do is just to use white paint and cover it up so that it doesn't show. And then the chandelier is going to help cover it up a bit. So that's all that it is for this living area. And then this tiny space here, this is the visitor's toilet. And then, I don't even know if we talk, okay, it's coming tomorrow. This is the visitor's toilet. It's large enough, I'm okay with that. And I love the plumbing. The POP, the bulb is not bright because the lighting here, the bulb is bad. The bulb, I don't know if that's correct, is bad, so there's no light here. So I'm going to be fixing that tomorrow. So let me take you, so I'm going to be putting blind in the window. Yeah, that window right there. I'm going to be putting blind here. So yeah, so let me take you guys to, the room. The room is not bright at all because the POP bulb is not functioning. And then this bulb right here, there's no bulb inside. So pardon me, please. I'm going to be very quick on this one. And the same thing, they didn't wire this POP inside, so he's going to still do the same thing. So I already got a chandelier for this room. I need this room to be as bright as possible. I'm going to change the painting of this place, maybe by Monday. It's creamy color. It's okay, it's nice, but I want it to be white because the curtain I'm bringing is not that so bright. So I want this place to be white. For the living area, I'm going to, and the corridor, the passage, I'm going to be leaving the color like that. I love the color. So this room has 2 windows. That is what I've been wanting, like 2 windows. I can't just deal with one. So yeah, 2 large windows. I am super excited. But my problem now, I don't understand what this is. They didn't do the AC work well, so obviously that thing is going to be showing. I don't know how I'm going to be dealing with that. Let me show you my toilet, my bathroom. Okay. This bedroom is not entirely as big as I want it. I actually wanted a bedroom that is a little bit big so that I'll be able to put glass fitting that I can shower inside. But with the way they constructed this, I can't do that. If they had taken this closer to the toilet that is here, that they put it here, I would have just put this in. I can't still do it because the door is going to be affecting it. So this is the floor. I just love the fact that the flooring is brown. It looks like wooden color, so I don't need to change. I'm not changing any flooring, whatever. So this is the flooring, and the wall is brown, and I like it. So I'm putting off-white blind, and it has heater and these things. I just love the bedroom. My only problem is that it's not as big as I want, but it's fine. I'm still going to be decorating the bedroom. I'm not leaving it empty like this. Like, I'm touching every area of this house. So this is the toilet area. This is the window. I'm going to be putting blind there as well. So let me take you guys to the kitchen. I'm trying to be in a hurry. Okay, I didn't show you guys my wardrobe. Oh, sorry guys, I didn't show you my wardrobe because this place is not bright enough, so I'm trying as much as possible to... Okay, this is my wardrobe. The wardrobe is actually a little bit bigger than... Nah, I need that light entry. The wardrobe, okay, let me know if I can assist myself in the kitchen like that. Once I'm making a video and the lighting is not bright enough, I'm not happy. Now, that stuff. Okay, the wardrobe is big, but it's not entirely as big as I want. I wanted a wardrobe that was so big, but it's not as if I have a lot of clothes or shoes. I don't have that much, and bags. I've been decluttering my wardrobe. I've taken out almost all my old clothes, so I'm still getting new ones. So it's not as if I have enough, too much of the clothes. Let me show you. Okay, the wardrobe is this big, and it's tall. So I could probably put my box there. I'm sure it's going to contain everything that I want. And one thing is, I don't know what I'm going to be doing with this space. I guess I'm going to be putting maybe my shoe and bags there. Yes, because I've been thinking of creating a shoe rack, but I don't think it will enter this room. So I'm going to be putting maybe my shoes and my bags there. If worst comes to worst, I'm going to put a demarcation. I think that's what I'm going to do. Yeah, I'm going to tell the carpenter to put a demarcation for me there. I'll put the shoes down and the bags up. Chicken out. So, based on the fact that the flooring is brown, let me show you. Yes, it's brown. And then the wardrobe is brown. I'm going to be doing a touch of white and brown, but because I don't want the room to be so dull, I'm not going to be doing very dark brown like this one. This one is coffee color, it's not even brown. So, just so that the room will still be in unison with the floor and the switches that is brown and white things, and then this wardrobe. I'm going to be doing the furniture like my bed. I'm going to be doing like maybe a light brown with mixture of white so that the room will be bright enough. So this is the inside of the wardrobe. This is 2-door, but it's as big as 3-door wardrobe. It's very big. It's going to contain all my hand clothes. Here. Oh, sorry. So it's big enough. I'll look for something to put here, and it has a drawer down here. Yes. So I love the wardrobe. I love the wardrobe. Let me take you guys to the kitchen. Okay, I didn't show you guys the passage. So this is the passage from the room to the parlor. So this is the room, and this is the kitchen. This feels like a normal house. You cook, you either come out, go to the sitting living area, or you enter the room. Like, nobody's seeing what you're cooking, nobody's seeing the food you're carrying and all that. That's what pissed me off with the other house. I wanted to consider it, but no. I said, this is the first house I'm checking. Let me create time for myself and check other houses. Now, I don't know what I'm going to do with this space. I'm going to definitely leave the painting like this, because if I change it, that means I'm touching the living area. So I'm thinking of putting like maybe picture frame like wall art here. That's the highest decoration I can do. Maybe probably keep, I don't know if flower can enter anyway, because this passage is not as big as, this is just the size. So if I should put maybe a flower, I have one flower, I'm not going to do it with that, or I think I'm taking it outside. If I should put it here, it's going to be blocking me. When I come out from the kitchen, I'm going to like, walking like this. I want to walk freely. So I'll just put picture frame here. I think that's the highest this thing I can do. Now let me take you guys to the kitchen. Okay. So this is the kitchen, guys. There's a lot of load here because my house is the last house that they rented out. So I don't know, there are so many properties, I don't know who owns them, but they told me to leave the outside door open so that the security person can be taking them out small. So once he's noticed that I've been doing some work here, he knows I want to move in, so he's going to take out everything probably, but it's not blocking me though. So this is the kitchen. I love the fact that the kitchen is a little bit spacious, but not as entirely as spacious as I want. But I can't get everything 100% because budget and Abuja house is not your mate too. A room and parlor. This place is a room and parlor, and it's quite expensive, and the road is not even that good. Okay. Now this is the upper cabinet. So this is the POP for the kitchen. Very simple, nice. And this is the upper cabinet. I see they have an idea that I want to do like touch of browns. This house is just brown. The tiles, the wall is brownish. The floor is brown mixed with cream color or off-white, and then the cabinet is brown. Like, so I'm putting off-white blind because the kitchen is dull enough. So I'm okay with it. So this is the other cabinet. This is the dishwashing area, the sink area, L shape. Like, it is big enough. It's big enough because it's just me. So my food stuff is going to enter here. So I'm going to be keeping my fridge. I would have loved to get a bigger fridge, but that my fridge is new, and I think I'm just going to be managing it like that. I'm not changing it. So I'll put the fridge maybe somewhere here, and then my gas cooker, because I've been looking for a house that will contain standing gas, because my gas is standing gas. I can't be getting a kitchen whereby it is a tabletop gas. So this place is the window, so I'm going to be taking this place. Feels like a little package store which you can put shelf and store food, or because I'm putting fridge here, there's no other space enough, because I want to have space. I don't want to be like looking for space whenever I'm doing something. So I'm going to be putting the gas here and probably try to connect the hose of the cylinder outside. And yeah, so and this kitchen also has veranda as well. So this is the door. So that place you can actually go out from there. If you don't want anybody to know that you're leaving from the front door, you can leave from there as well. So that place, I'm going to be putting washing machine there. I'm going to be connecting washing machine there. So yeah. So guys, this is the end of it. This is my empty Abuja apartment tour, and I can't wait to show you guys like the interior decor that I'm going to do in this house. This will be like my first time doing a real interior decor. This, and let me see what my taste feels like. Apart from my studio that I tried to like arrange, but I wasn't still impressed. Now I'm going to do a thorough interior decor work. I hope it comes out nice. You guys, what do you think about this apartment? Do you think it's nice? Do you think it's big enough or small enough for just one person? It's just a room of color. I'm going to convert the room. I didn't even tell you guys everything I'm going to do, but when once I'm fixing anything that I'm fixing in this place, I'm going to be documenting everything. I'm going to show you guys. I hope you had fun touring this empty house with me. I'm going to see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.